Hello guys, welcome to my vlog, and today we are here in Agaisano Grand Mall together with my friend doing shopping because there's no classes today. Where are they? Wait. Ken! Marlene! Ken! Say hi to my vlog!
Mabuhay!
Hello guys! We are at the Agaisano Grand Mall. Makayak sa manin. Mag-vlog ka, supportaya ka niyo ah. Ken! Say hi! Picture kit! Check pa! Bongga! I will be making my...
Ay, sinamasitit.
No. Starting today, I will be making my own vlog together with my friend.
Kaya mo.
And Ken and Myron will be the one who sponsor me. Say hi to Belle.
Sipit.
Sipit. Say hi. I will be making my vlog.
So, we are entrepreneur student.
Yeah, we are the entrepreneurship student.
Adi kami yan na.
Instead of saving and investing our money, we are investing to our new dress, new shoes, new handkerchief, and anything.
100 lamang ko dito.
Ito yung mga entrepreneur student na magasto. Look at them. Oh, makait na yun, barato daw.
Hindi kayo sa online, mata 20,000, nasa 19.